What up guys? Today we are installing upgraded R1 concept brakes and rotors for the Alfa Romeo Giulia. So we are here at National Auto Repair in Manassas and they are about to work on the car right now. You see it's up on the lift right now. We're going to be fixing all of this stuff. When it's all done, it should look like this. This is my friend Akmal's car who works here at National Auto Repair. And this is the R1 concept brakes, drilled and slotted, and then it has carbon ceramic brake pads. So needless to say, these brakes are kind of cooked, as you can tell. And here is the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. It looks good. So after driving the Giulia for the last few days with the R1 Concepts brakes and rotors, here's what I noticed. Definitely, I noticed in the first few millimeters of pedal travel that it bites a lot less than the stock brakes, which is good because it was a little bit touchy in my opinion. But once you press on into the brakes, I feel like it gives you a lot more confidence stopping, especially when you're going at higher speeds.